Paul McCartney gave New Yorkers an opportunity to come together for one night, and one night only, for a surprise concert at the Bowery Ballroom in Lower Manhattan. Compared to McCartney's typical haunts, which are stadiums accommodating tens of thousands of people, this performance felt considerably more intimate. The legendary band member last played in the New York region 3 years ago at MetLife Stadium, one of the biggest arenas in the NFL with 82,500 seats. The ballroom claims to have a capacity of 600, but the Associated Press reports that Tuesday night's performance could have accommodated no more than 575 due to the singer's soundboard and other equipment spilling out from behind the scenes and taking up some floor area. In the morning, McCartney used Instagram to announce his spontaneous performance. As the temperature dropped into the low 30s, supporters patiently waited outside the venue on Lower East Side to purchase a single ticket for the impromptu performance. Within 30 minutes, every single ticket had been sold. The famous performer and his band, which included a horn section of 3, hit the stage at 6:30 p.m. With singles by Wings and the Beatles, including Hey Jude, Lady Madonna, Got to Get You Into My Life, and Let It Be, the set list was jam-packed. While reflecting on the inspiration for his civil rights movement song Blackbird, McCartney played an acoustic guitar solo. More than 350,000 people listened as he recounted his experience playing at a Kyiv event honoring independence and freedom. "Hopefully, it returns to that soon," he stated, as reported by AP. The Bowery performance was filled with enthusiastic fans who couldn't help but yell and roar. December marked the end of McCartney's Got Back global tour. He released McCartney 3, his most recent solo album, in 2020. Next up for the Hey Jude singer is Sunday's appearance on NBC's SNL 50 Anniversary Special, which will also be broadcast from New York. The surviving members of the band, including Paul McCartney and Ringo Starr, were honored at this month's Grammy Awards with a statuette for Best Rock Performance for the song Now and Then. The song was published last year,